peregrine falcon. She's got eyes so sharp, she can pick out prey from a mile away. Just the size of a crow, speed is her weapon. With her wings tucked in, she dives at up to 240 miles per hour. A kill in midair. Her chicks beg constantly for food, but she is torn between feeding hungry mouths and guarding the nest. She views anything passing by as a threat. 5 times her body weight, the brown pelicans ignore her warnings. A dangerous mistake. A yank on the face, and she throws the hapless pelican off balance. One down, she circles back for the rest. A skillful bill flick takes care of another one.